Hi, my name is Busola. I live in Abbotsford, British Columbia, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life has sent me a 10-piece the Rock Diamond set to test. I've put the 10-piece Rock Diamond cook set to test by boiling some rice, which is a staple at our house, and I just put rice and water in the pot. I oiled the pot just a little before using, and the best quality about the pot is I had a very well cooked rice, but that's not it. But the fact that I didn't add enough water in my rice, and the rice got burnt on, and it's so easy to take out the burn. I'm just using the pot. I haven't added water, which I'm not supposed to add water to a hot pot, but I'm just using the spoon to scrape it really easily, and it's gonna be an easy one to wash, and that is why I love it, because it washes very easily. And after scraping, I didn't add anything. I just scraped with that plastic spoon. I scraped the rice off, and that was it, and I'm gonna wash after. That's why I love it. Yes, I would recommend the 10-piece Rock Diamond Cook set to my friends and family, because it's just so easy to clean, and that's what I look for in a pot.